This week, I have something of special interest to my brothers and sisters in the security world. Of course, security and investigations is just my place where I live, the things that I love. And what I'm going to share with you today is about when a person breaks into a car, but it's not to steal things and it's not to steal a car, even. Hi, this is Larry Kaye with ShadowAnyone.com. I'm the creator of the Investigator's Ultimate Guide series, which is premium private investigator training from someone who's been there and done that. I've also got some best-selling books out there. Feel free to check those out. They're available, and they've got some very valuable real-world information in them. Now, valuable real-world information, let's talk about that today. If you're working security, if you work a car lot for any length of time, you're probably going to find this. If you work next to a car lot or you have cameras that can reach over and cover that, you'll run into this. But it's a very interesting thing. People, and I see this really with men, and it's homeless men, will break into cars, and it's not to steal the car, it's not to steal anything in the car, but it's just to have a place to sleep, to get them out of the weather, to get them out of the snow, the rain, or even just to have a softer place to lay down. And in fact, what you're really going to see is this guy going through the car lot, tugging on car doors, just pulling on car doors. They're not even really quote unquote breaking in. They're not busting out a window, anything like that. They're trying different car doors. Now, when you see this, this is usually plenty of time to call the police, have the person trespassed, off the lot, have them admonished, told not to come back on the property, whatever it is you do in your area, how you handle it. But just remember that their intention might just be to get into a warmer or dry space. I'm not excusing that. I'm not saying you should let that go at all. But don't jack your adrenaline up. Don't get to that level where this is somebody who's trying to steal things from cars or that it's happening in a hurry. Yes, the trying car doors is something you'll see also from some thieves. I'll give you that. Mostly you'll see that honestly, in neighborhoods. And it's usually younger people going around trying to different car doors. And in a neighborhood, if you do something like when I started out working canine patrol for private security, I could drive through a neighborhood and I would find in the middle of the night a car with a dome light on. And what that almost always meant was someone had tried the car door, found it open, just stole the change out of the ashtray in the car, and instead of slamming the door, risking waking somebody up, they pushed it shut and walked away, but didn't realize the dome light was still on because the door was slightly ajar. And I will give you a little bonus hint if you come across something like that. Where you see one car like that, there are others. So you find that one car that's been broken into, check the cars around it. There are probably others that have been broken into as well. If you have real world experience with this type of thing, you want to add it to the conversation, we can all learn from it. That's phenomenal. Please let me know. I love to learn this stuff pretty much as I love to teach this stuff. And if you are interested in picking up a little bit extra, don't forget that over at ShadowAnyone.com, I do have my free report called If You Want to Be a Private Investigator, Give Up Unless You Do These 3 Things. That's a free report on the homepage of ShadowAnyone.com. In the meantime, this is Larry Kaye with ShadowAnyone. Remember, do the right thing, even if it's the hard thing.